In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video onto your board in Chrome. To get started, open your board using the Chrome browser. Using Chrome helps make sure all the embedding features work smoothly and that the interface looks the way you expect. Once your board is open, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct canvas or workspace where you want the video to appear. This is helpful if you're working on a larger project with multiple sections. Next, look over to the left-hand toolbar. In that menu, click on More Apps. This is where you'll find additional content tools that let you add media and other interactive elements to your board. After opening that menu, choose the option that says Paste iframe code or Upload. This opens the media dialog box where you can insert content from an external source. Now paste your video URL into the dialog box. This can be a link from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or another supported video service. Make sure you copy the full video link so the platform can recognize it correctly. If the link is incomplete or broken, the video may not load as expected. It's a good idea to quickly double check the URL before moving on, especially if you copied it from an email, document, or browser tab. Once the link is in place, click Embed. The board will then create a playable video card directly on your canvas. This means the video can be viewed right from the board without needing to open a separate tab, which is especially useful for presentations, team collaboration, or organizing reference material in one place. After the video appears, you can position it wherever it fits best on your canvas. If needed, you can also resize or arrange it alongside other content so your board stays clean and easy to navigate. Keeping your media organized can make a big difference, especially when multiple people are reviewing the board. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a video onto your board in Chrome by opening the board, going to More Apps, selecting Paste iframe code or Upload, pasting in the video URL, and clicking Embed. It's a quick process, and once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat whenever you want to add more video content to your workspace.